Congratulations, all the best. God bless. More well kissing.
Sir, turn this side, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes.
New family.
Please stay.
One more, 1 minute.
1 minute. See here. Please see here, sir.
Yes. Finally, please. Thank you for being here on the occasion of Brilliant Sound Galaxy inauguration here with Anvi in the city of Bangalore. Signia has been operating into this country over the last 20 years and been pioneer into hearing aid industry, taking several new initiatives in terms of creating awareness, building up infrastructure in the whole country. And as one of the initiatives of Signia of the Best Sound Center, we have reached to the length and breadth of this country. We decided that we thought that now many a times it happens that the consumers are uncertain about their hearing loss. They're not very sure how is going to be their experience into hearing aid clinics. And that's the time where we decided that we need to come out with a concept where we will empower consumers to make their own decision. They should have a freedom to decide how they want to address their hearing loss. And that is how we came out with the concept of Sound Galaxy. Basically, these stores provide an opportunity for anybody in the city who feels that he may have some kind of a hearing problem. So one can visit and do the self-check-in, also experience and find different products, form factors, a lot of information. We have highly trained and qualified people will help them about what hearing aids are and what is the technology that we use it. And going further, if they feel that they need to do the further evaluation and diagnosis, then we have a qualified audiologist and an experienced room at the back end side. So this is one of the very unique setup that we started in India. This is the first one today what we inaugurated in Bangalore. And I'm sure that this will give a lot of opportunity for the people to make well-informed decisions. And our ambition with Signia is to scale it up across the country and expand this network. With this, we have Mr. Sudesh Bhosle as our brand ambassador for Signia. I'm very thankful to him for accepting our invitation to be here in the city of Bangalore. Experienced people are using the same hearing aid for 7, 8, 10 years. On an average, we ourselves on a premium segment give a warranty of 4 years. So 4 to 5 years one can use that hearing aid. But at the same time, technology is constantly evolving. So every alternate year we ourselves launch a newer platform. So we have seen consumers who are super happy, they come and upgrade themselves. Hearing aid can last up to 5 years or even beyond than that. Then ideally it is recommended that once you have a hearing aid, at least every year, once the audiometry needs to be done, because many a times the hearing loss is changing or fluctuating. So it is advisable so that if there is some change in the hearing loss, reprogramming and fine-tuning can be done.
Actually, when I was approached to become a brand ambassador of Signia, I was in fact very happy because this is related, connected to my profession of hearing. And many of us face hearing loss and which we don't realize for a long time. And because we are used to using headphones and listening to loud music. So I think I was the right person chosen by you. Thank you so much. And very happy to be here in Bangalore and inaugurate this amazing store. I wish all the best. And definitely this will help many people who don't realize that they have a hearing problem. And this is one center under one roof. You can come, access yourself, and there are experts who will help you to buy the right product for your ears.
मैं इसी प्रोडक्ट को लेके कुछ कहूँगा। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि अगर मुझे दोनों कानों से सही सुनाई देता तो बीवी प्यार कर रही है गाली दे रही है मालूम पड़ता। लेकिन अब मुझे कोई फिक्र नहीं है क्योंकि आज मैं सिग्निया के इस स्टोर में आया हूँ। हम भी एक मशीन लगा लेंगे, कौन क्या बोलता है बहुत अच्छी तरह सुनाई देगा।